Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the system. Sign in as an administrator and create a system restore point so you can roll back if needed. Once ready, open Device Manager from Start, expand Bluetooth and look for the adapter name. Make a note of the exact model and vendor. This identifies the correct driver. Next, right-click the adapter to reveal options. This immediate action prevents guessing and ensures you update the precise hardware component rather than generic devices. You now perform the core steps. Uninstall the adapter from Device Manager, and if offered, delete the driver software to clear corrupted files. This forces Windows to reassess the hardware. Once done, use Action Scan for hardware changes so Windows redetects the adapter. If Windows doesn't automatically install the correct driver, choose Update Driver and select Browse My Computer to point to a downloaded OEM driver. These steps force a clean replacement and avoid layered driver conflicts that cause Bluetooth failures. Finish by installing the OEM driver matched to your Windows 10 build and 32/64 4-bit architecture. This is the reliable source for proper firmware and features. Run the vendor installer or use Update Driver and browse to the extracted folder so Device Manager uses the correct INF file. Once installed, make sure Bluetooth support service is running and reboot. If Bluetooth still fails, try the system restore point you created. This reverses changes and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.